Model, 57-plate Ford Frieda spares OR repairs perfect for camper conversion. Body, maroon, crew cab. Mileage, 135550. MOT, 1 June 2024. Engine, 2499 cc. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, air con. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.